Hello and welcome to Creating with Ms Kaye. Today I will be participating in a collaboration titled All Things Decor Tabletop. The hosts are the Grace Life DIY and Debbie Bubbles. I would like to thank these two ladies, these two wonderful creators, for choosing me to be their guest host. They chose a fitting theme for the month, and it is warm and cozy. And who doesn't want to be warm and cozy here in fall? But we couldn't let this video go by without remembering Breast Cancer Awareness Month. I salute all of the fighters. I salute all of the survivors. Hang in there and God bless. My first table setting is going to be dedicated to Anna over at the Grace Life DIY. I hope you enjoy. I put in a little pink, some gold, and some pumpkin. So we're going to call it Pink Pumpkin Pearl. I hope you enjoy. I'm going to go ahead and take away some extra chairs that I have at my table. And because the theme is warm and cozy, I like to think of warm and cozy as maybe just dinner for two, candlelit, lights down low, fireplace burning. And so we're going to go ahead and we're going to get this table set up. I'm going to add my pink tablecloth. And as you see, I am wearing my pink in honor of Breast Cancer Awareness Month. I've actually worn pink every day to school this month. We are about to go on fall break, so that gives me a chance to kind of revamp my wardrobe and maybe find some more pieces or probably just double back on a few. I'm going to start with my centerpiece. This is a column that I purchased at Hobby Lobby. I actually used it to do some glass shelves in my home, but I'll sometimes just use it in other areas of the house just to give items some height. So I'm going to add this pumpkin on top. I actually have an event that I'll be working on that will be pumpkins and pearls later this month. So you guys are seeing some of my decorations before we even have the party. So this was a good way to see how things are going to turn out. I love pearls. I don't think that there is anything as classier on a woman than pearls. So to have the pearls on the pumpkins, pink pumpkins and pearls, I just love it. But for the event that I'll be decorating later this month is going to be purple pumpkins and pearls. So just continue to watch. And if this is your first time coming to my channel and you like what you see so far, please go ahead and subscribe. Click that bell twice so you'll be notified each time that I upload a video. And remember, if you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. All of your likes, all of your comments are always appreciated. As we get to the end of this video, I just want you to see the final reveal. And to keep things nice and warm and cozy, there's nothing to me like some nice hot tea or either a cup of coffee to finish off your meal, even if you're having dessert. So let's add this to our table setting. And one final thing that we need for it definitely to be cozy at the table is a nice candle. Let's turn the lights down low and finish off our meal. I hope you have enjoyed, and Anna, this was for you. I would like to take this time to go ahead and recognize the co-hosts for this collaboration: Decorating with Jazigreen, Deborah Cabassa Home Living, Design with Emma, Sandylynns Home and Garden, Lifestyle Designs with Teresa, and Vondessa J. All of these creators are wonderful. Please make sure you watch their videos. They will be on our playlist. And as well, if you haven't subscribed to their channels, you won't be disappointed if you go ahead, share their videos with friends and family. Make sure you give them a thumbs up. Ladies, it was an honor to work with you all this month. This next table setting I'm dedicating to Debbie Bubbles, my friend, my sister. We all know that she loves cheetah print, leopard print. That is just her. When I met her a few years ago here on YouTube, I was captivated by I want to say the video was a lantern and she had it decorated with leopard print. And I have been in love with her style ever since. I too am a cheetah print girl, so our personalities definitely match one another. So Debbie, this is for you. I even have you a leopard print bottle of bubbly for you to warm you up on a nice cold night. I hope that you enjoy this video. I hope it inspires you. I hope it just gives you what you're looking for. Once again, I would like to thank Anna as well as Debbie for choosing me to be their guest host this week. And God bless, and everyone have a wonderful, wonderful evening. And I'll see you in the next video.